Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's KAM for real. And I'm not gonna lie, today I am super tired because it has been a very long week for me. So I'm traveling back to where I work, the Middle East. I'm traveling to the Middle East this week, so I had to be getting everything, you know, in order. So I went to the supermarket earlier on this week and gathered and got some things that I needed or I wanted, some things that I can't find when I'm there. So I'll insert a clip so you can see me, you know, buying the things then. Hi guys, it's been a long day with Janelle. As usual, she's ordering something, but I am packing. I'm buying some stuff to take back with me. Some things that I can't find, some things that I cannot find usually in UAE. So like, for example, blue soap and veggie chips and these things. And red sauce. Enough though. Very much. Bun, the only bun we could get.
People?
Not her complaining. So yeah.
The frozen patties.
Give me a minute, let me check.
Oh my god, you have to go check. You have to go check, people.
We do.
How is it sold?
Alright, give me a minute.
I also went and I got my PCR test today. I had to go early, and luckily, thanks be to God, I was the first person there, so I got through very quickly. Alright guys, I'm going in for my COVID test now. I don't think I will be able to video it, but yeah, that's what we're doing today. And now I'm back home to pack, and then I'm gonna go home. Well, and then I'm gonna go on the bus tomorrow. So I also booked my Knutsford bus as well. So it's just been a lot happening this week, you know, with the whole COVID protocol. You have to ensure you have your PCR test. That's 72 hours, and I had to time mine very well, because the thing is, I'm traveling to New York, and New York doesn't require PCR. However, it requires an antigen test if you didn't do the PCR, and it has to be 3 days. So I did mine, so at 2 days I'm gonna have it, and by the time I land in Dubai, it's gonna be 3 days. So that way I don't have to do two tests, one in New York to go to Dubai and one from Jamaica to go to New York. Guys, trust me. So for the rest of the evening, I'm just gonna be packing my stuff to leave. Don't wanna go, but duty calls. So yeah, just enjoy, you know, whatever I'm gonna be doing right now. I think just packing, some music. Oh, my face is oily. Oh my god, what's happening? But yeah, just a part of the game. So now I'm gonna pack. So this is my food suitcase. I have some unhealthy stuff, but I also bought like vegetable chips, you know, because balance. So you know how it go already. Yeah. You like it? Yeah. And I'm my least favorite, you know. I tell last time I come here and say, yo man, people gonna like it.
Beautiful.
Yeah? Oh, show me. This is the one, guys. Ah, whoever's gonna get this gift, love you. Yes, I got a few Jamaican items for my crew. Lasco, look, don't play with me. I try this. This I serve me straight until December. Nobody. I just have crackers, guys, and I always buy the cinnamon flavor one. I prefer it. Have it with my last one nighttime, my tea, taste of home while I'm zooming back home, right, mommy?
Alright, you are.
Of my supple gem, guys. By the way, guys, supple gem don't even taste the same as it was before, you know. By the way. Not even Lasco, everything tastes a little like if it put additional things to make it taste so strong. It tastes diluted. Blue soap. 6:33. It's 6:33 a.m. and we're on our way to the airport. I think we're gonna make it, of course. We're already there. But I'm just giving the updates. Like Beach Park. Harmony Beach Park.
Only them that have the go-kart basketball court. It's like them like before and after, but in different places.
It's free?
Yeah.
If it's free, it's for me. Social distancing. Zero. Z to the row. Z to the row.
Your name on behalf of line. And the parent name goes at the top if you're traveling with a child, but if you're by yourself, you're just writing your name on the long line.
The lady just said, which adult is traveling with you? I'm fully grown, fully homegrown. What? I was like, yo, thanks for the compliment though, sis. I see you. What y'all doing here?
You're all 40.
You're all 40. That's nice. Guys, it's like fully TSA. Slide down, brother. So guys, I was stopped when I was going through customs because they said they found something in my bag. They went through, they couldn't find anything. And she was like, oh, thank you so much for your time. I'm like, sis, first of all, I'm gonna check back this bag that you thoroughly went through because you checked me and I checked you. But anyways, we are on our way to get something to eat. It's around 8:20 or 8:10. And boarding starts at 8:25. Jamaica, we have a bobsled team. Ooh, we fancy. We fancy today.
Yeah. They got kicked off last night. What a crappy day.
Out of 21 people. Guys, just I'm vlog for the truth. Hello. Hi.
Yeah, we're gonna get it together.
More boarding cars, so.
Thank you. Outside the festive season. banana chips. Thank you. So, plantain chips, banana chips. Cameron, you know you're not gonna make it in. Oh, you're lucky, Cameron. I gotta tell you, you're not gonna make no more vlog.
We are
What is that?
Auntie Diane. Ready for the flight, people. Water. Right. I'm your love doctor. That was beautiful. So now we're on our way to New York City. So in the next 2 hours, it's now 9 our time. It's now, we're leaving at 9. So we're supposed to be there by twish. So see you in a few. I like the lounge thing. I think I'll pay extra. Yeah, we have tea, please. Black and milk. Sugar? Yeah. The being festive. There is a man outside singing on top of his voice. Granted, it's a worship song. Oh my god, we're singing from Jamaica and we're now 45 minutes away. And he's still singing. Praise is what he does, guys. So guys, we're here in New York for a while. We've been, first of all, we've been waiting. You hear him saying that the bag should be at carousel number 8. We're at carousel number 8. The bags aren't here. We've been standing for a long time. This one guy, he started acting up, so now they're making announcements and whatever. Oh, you like things. So yeah, we're just out here, just, you know, waiting for our bags. Been waiting for our bags. We'll continue to wait for our bags, and I'll update you when I get my bags. Everybody and the mommy. And finally, we have our things. Finally, people. We were standing there for some time. So now I have a connecting flight to Boston at 7 o'clock, and it's now I think minutes to 3. So yeah, we just gonna be chilling, bro. I don't know what to tell you. I could leave the airport, but then it wouldn't be feasible, right? Because they leave the airport, then if I come back, next thing traffic reach you in the reaching time. So it just makes sense to just wait and see what happens. Yo, I'm sweating under this mask, yo. It is hot up. Ooh, I know why. I know why I'm hot. Hold up. Because I have on this jacket. Gotta take it off. Yeah, we back. I had on a whole jacket, and then I was wondering, oh my god, how am I so hot? Girl, because you got this whole winter jacket on. So yeah, I'm just gonna go back now. I'm gonna edit a video. The video is probably gonna be posted before this one, so to occupy my time here. Actually, I just now realized I'm hungry, and not only am I hungry, I have food. What am I doing? So I'm going to actually be eating right now. I saw this lady eating and I was just like, yo, I wish me have some food. Then I was like, wait a minute. I had food that I took in the airport in Jamaica. So, yeah, guys. Outside. Out there without fear. Low key for it still because nobody knows wearing a mask. But I'm away from everybody right now. So they don't know it, Guardian. They don't know, huh? So we don't have alcoholic wipes. We don't have wipes with alcohol in it. We don't know. So we spray the sanitizer on it and then we wipe because cleanliness next to godliness. Put it down and boom, bang. We're gonna have a little mukbang going on here. So that don't fall. Don't do that. I'm hungry. So, I don't know, somebody got injured. The ambulance was at, the EMTs were at the baggage claim while we were waiting. Probably the lady dropped down to how long we are waiting to. And now the ambulance is outside. I'm sitting in a baggage claim area. But the thing is, there's no flight coming in for it. Touch my phone on my phone. My battery's dying, but if you remember the last time, I didn't tell you guys, but I had a layover for over 16 hours in New York the last time. That's when I realized, yo, people them don't have no seat. And at the time, even though Dunkin' Donuts is open, but at the time Dunkin' Donuts was closed, everything was closed down. I'm just have to sit down and just bill for 16 hours, and then I think eventually I realized that there's a hotel connecting to the airport, and that's time we go and we get something to eat across the road. So if I feel for a little rather, also I can have some Dunkin' Donuts afterwards, because you know America runs with Dunkin'. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Charge my phone, edit, and chill back. So how y'all doing? What's new in your life? You guys are not new to YouTube and probably someone just sneezed. I mean, he's far away, but bro, you remove your mask to sneeze? Why? I don't know what to tell you. Alright, bash is done, guys. I'll come back after I'm finished eating. Okay guys, so I'm in Boston, Massachusetts, but as you can tell, I have to rush because my flight boarding starts in like 45 minutes. God, I'm so tired. I made it. I made it on in time and everything. And I must say, I am a fan actually. Before I was a fan. Right now, I am a whole AC about Emirates, social distancing. I am a fan. I'm an AC about the way they're handling this whole pandemic. The fight, social distancing, everything just superb.
مرحبا بكم على متن هذه الرحلة. نرجو منكم الانتباه الكامل بينما نعرض لكم تعليمات السلام. جربت حزام الأمان عندما تكون إشارات الاحتمال الراحة. لتعليم الحزام اسحب الشريط
finally in Dubai. So the next leg is from Dubai to Abu Dhabi. I'm gonna slip on this thing because I'm way too tired right now. I am beat. Woo, child. So I guess that's where you show your COVID test and your passport. Let me see if they're gonna take mine. Because the issue is I did mine on Tuesday in Jamaica. So I don't know if they're gonna take it saying that no, Jamaican time isn't UAE time. So I'll keep you guys updated as to what happens. I really don't want to stand in the COVID testing line, so hopefully they take it. If not, it is what it is, yeah? Alright. Guys, we in! Woo, child. We back in the sandpit, child. Oh my gosh. Now let's see if they're gonna take it from Dubai to Abu Dhabi border. Guys, a bit of things are going with me, you know. Can't lie to you. Anyways, let's see. Do.
Come back to Dubai?
Nope, no need.
Take a photo in case you come back to Dubai.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you.